What to say?
For the past week, there, in activities are possible, and the eminent chiefs are back, the supporters are back, and Yaba as the mother of all supporters, circles, national circles, and then the mother of all supporters, and even the global president, if he's also a circle member, and also a global president, national circles, we are coming here to cap all the visits. Naya Mama Assurance said, I'm saying, it's not just another match, it's a special match. A year, here, the king, and all the stakeholders, including yourself. I said, but for a committee, we said, you all should be proud, say, we are members of this family. Because this is a family headed by a great king, a great kingdom, and you must feel proud, say, we are a member of the family. And the task ahead of us here, we have past records, the past 11 matches, and evidence said we hold dominance over them. Some 5 times in the 4-point goal. It means that our dominance, I was here, the status quo, that is why we are here. You can bet on our support, our prayers. The way ensure water is life. And a few cans of malt. Say, inflation anytime you need it. Now, we trust you. We have the best of players in our team. We are playing for the luck of the day, and we know that now will come out victorious and rejoicing after the match.
Yes, Nana, we need to get you. Yeah, there's that. There was a big one. Initial, who near Messia, yeah, place in the video. Somebody on the maid. Someone said, and may I do one.
Amen.